Okay, alright, y'all. I don't even know where to begin on this one. I have just combined a couple of DIY projects to include but not limited to the format for PVC into an angle iron universal bike rack. This is what I came up with. Now, as you can see, I got the fifth wonder of the world, the Electra Cruiser 1 212, sitting both tires off the ground firmly and stable. It ain't going nowhere. For motorized bikes, it's for regular bikes, it's for anybody's bike. If you got a bike, this is what you need to have. Just to show you how stable it is, let me start the engine up here. As you can see, if it's stable enough to pull start your engine, it's stable enough and safe enough to walk on. You can do anything on this rack. You can change motors, add motors, change tires, any kind of upgrade, new additions. Hell, you might even go as far as you can paint a full bike frame and foot on this rack. It's up there and it's running stable. No joke, people. No joke. This is the rack you need to have. It's simple, it's easy, it's made out of angle iron, it's stable. Only thing you need is paint. That's it. We're debating what color to paint it. Just like I said, it's a universal bike rack made for motorized bikes or not.